Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into DesignWizard step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for DesignWizard. Press the Enter key to navigate to the DesignWizard homepage. Look for the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Login button to access the login page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Carefully type in the email address associated with your DesignWizard account. Next, move to the password field. Enter your password in the provided space. If you want the system to remember your login details, check the Remember Me box. Once you have entered your information, click the Login button. Wait for a moment while the system processes your login request. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your DesignWizard dashboard. In case you cannot remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After resetting, return to the login page and enter your new credentials. You are now successfully logged into DesignWizard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.